Hi, Jim Hood, Key Realty, Ohio, Key Realty One in Kentucky. And question that comes up a lot of times with home sellers is how important is it that I stage my home? We hear about home staging. It's actually become a large industry. There are companies that only do home staging. But how important is it? Well, first, in explaining what home staging is, I need to explain what it is not. It is not decor. It is not decorating. You'll hear about people that, oh, I just redecorated my house. Well, that's great because that's how you want to live in a home. Staging is nothing more than marketing, setting your home up in the best possible light for buyers to see it to where they can see themselves living in the home. It is marketing the home, not designing the home to live in. If anything, staging a home or marketing it makes the home a less comfortable place for you to live because it's not set up for things to be within easy reach or, your living comfort. The benefits of staging is that it really helps the home to give a good first impression. Open, airy, bright, easy to get around. The clock. The more personal items there are, what some people call clutter, the more distracting it is from the house. People will see the personal items before they see the house. The idea of staging is we want to emphasize the house and what it has to offer. There's a little rule, it's called Rule of Three. No more than 3 things on a shelf, no more than 3 things in the kitchen countertop. It's just a general rule of 3. And the reason for that is that shows that it's useful, but it is got a lot of space. It leaves the buyers with the impression that there's more than enough room for you living in a home. So therefore it should be more than enough room for them. Partial staging. That's where the homeowners are able to take what they currently have and help the house show better by removing things or relocating things. So step number 1 in staging a home is decluttering and cleaning. Get rid of the excess personal items. That is hard to do. This is one of the places where it makes it a home less convenient to live in when you've got it staged. But if there's a lot of toys, if there are a lot of things on shelves and on countertops, if you open the closet doors and it is wedged full of clothes and the upper shelf and down on the floor is full, it's going to feel very cramped to a potential buyer. So take excess things out. If it's wintertime, take your summer clothes, store them. You might need to get a storage unit for the time being, or use your garage and park the cars out in the driveway. The idea of the living room, the concept of flow is so very important. If there are tables out in the middle of the floor, it's going to interfere with the flow. If there's extra furniture that is in the room, extra chairs, recliners, things to that extent, it's going to make the home feel cramped. The idea of staging is to make the home feel as open, bright, and comfortable as possible so a buyer can better visualize themselves living there. Whenever you have a question like this, or you have a real estate need, or someone you care about does, I'm always here for you. I'm Jim Hood, Key Realty Ohio, Key Realty One in Kentucky. Have yourself a great day.